Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday here. I hope you're able to stay safe and warm here today. Just wanted to take a little bit of time to walk through some expectations here today. I know we talked about it in class the last couple of days, but I just wanted to go kind of step by step here. So as you go through, you'll see we got the Unit 6, the FAL, the Formative Assessment lesson. We're going to do day one here today. So we'll split this up. We'll do part today and part tomorrow. And I know, again, we talked about it, but it is a Desmos task that we're going to be working on. It actually only ends up being two slides. So there's going to be one that we'll do today, and then we'll look to do the second one tomorrow. What I would suggest is make sure that you have a piece of paper or something to kind of write some things down as we're going through. And then we will look to submit something here today. So as you click on this link here, it should take you to the activity, or it should say start the activity for you. And you're going to be, again, seeing just the one slide. Now you'll see up here it says 1 and 2. I've got it locked so that you can't get to the second one just yet. Again, we'll do that tomorrow. But what we're trying to do, and you can see we've got some cards that are dealing with graphs, and then we got some cards that are going to deal with some equations. And so what we want to try to do is see if we can match up the equation cards with the the graph cards. So on this, you'll see that we've got one where it's in standard form, vertex form down here, and then intercept form. And our goal is to see, again, do we have enough information to match this up with the graph? Now, some of these have multiple pieces of information, so it should be pretty straightforward. Other ones you don't have as much, so it's a little bit tougher. Now, I would just remind you a couple of things. If we talk about this standard form, this 15 right here, that would be our y-intercept. When we talk about intercept form, x is equal to 3 and 5, those would be our x-intercepts. And we talk about vertex form, that would be our vertex. It would be 4, -1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to base it off of this one right here. Now, the other thing I would tell you is that the A value technically is positive, so that should open up. Okay, so I want to see if I can match up this card to a graph of some kind. Now, it looks like right here is a pretty good chance on that. Okay, I've got a y-intercept of 15, my x-intercepts of 3 and 5. Now, I can't tell for sure what the vertex is, but it looks like it's between 3 and 5, which would be 4, and it's negative right there. Okay, so that's going to be my match on that. Okay, and that's our goal, is to try to go through and try to see what we can match up on this. Now, again, some are going to be pretty straightforward because, again, this one you've got all three. Other ones, it's going to be a little bit tougher. Like this one, you've only got one piece of information. Now, we'll go through and try to fill in some of that missing information tomorrow, but our goal today is to make sure that we can try to match those up. Now, if you are struggling or if this is a little bit tougher, please let me know. Again, what I would look for are the cards that have multiple things of information. Use that. Also, keep in mind if it's got a negative in the front, then that graph should open down. Okay. So once you're done with that, I'll have you take a screenshot of this page and make sure in your screenshot I can see your name. If I can't see your name, then I can't give you points for it. So take a screenshot, which again is Windows and then the print screen. Submit that, and then we'll look to do the second part here tomorrow. So work through that, guys. Again, I'll have access to my computer all day. If there's anything I can do to help, if something doesn't make sense, please let me know. Hope you have a great rest of your day.